This presentation analyzes participants' responses at the Transportation Assets and Barriers Workshop in Marquette on March 25th. The information in the following slides aims to inform the Marquette Visioning Committee and Design Team during the design process. Different transportation users typically have different needs and priorities. Older adults want access to local services. Active recreationists want to be challenged while engaging in physical activity. Parents are concerned for the safety of their children. Mobility-challenged individuals want smooth surfaces and safe traffic crossings. Youth want complete sidewalks and safe traffic crossings. We conducted focus groups with people from each of these demographics to obtain a complete picture of the transportation system in Marquette. All user types travel around Marquette by driving and walking. Older adults, mobility-challenged individuals, and actives like to bike around town. Mobility-challenged individuals utilize golf carts, and parents use UTVs to get from place to place. The bench is a popular destination among all groups, with several recreation opportunities in the neighborhood and bench park. Mobility-challenged individuals and parents appreciate the slow, local traffic, letting kids walk and bike in the neighborhood. Youth like exploring the trails and the woods around the neighborhood. Actives enjoy playing softball and pickleball in the ball field and court in the bench park. Many groups also enjoy visiting the Driftless Area Wetland Center. Residents appreciate the trails, educational programs, connections to nature, birdwatching opportunities, and scenic views. Parents and mobility-challenged individuals would like a bike trail to get to the center. The Mississippi riverfront is well liked among focus group participants. Older adults, actives, and youth appreciate the scenery of the riverfront and enjoy bird and boat watching on the marina. Parents, youth, and actives like to walk along the river, and mobility-challenged individuals appreciate the Bridge to Nowhere overlook that provides beautiful views of the Mississippi. During the focus groups, participants identified undesirable features in town. All groups expressed irritation with the railroad, as stopped trains can disconnect those living on the bench from the rest of town, and train horns at all hours of the day are a nuisance. Many groups voiced concern regarding flooding, as heavy rains clog culverts, flood downtown, and pool water at the Wetland Center entrance. Several groups are concerned with inadequate sidewalks around town and being forced to walk in the street, especially in the Bench neighborhood, Anti-Monopoly Street, and Highways 18 and 76. Residents talked about challenges with winter weather and how snow and ice can affect driving on the hills along 2nd, Chicago, and Brown Streets, and Pleasant Run Road. Older adults, mobility-challenged individuals, and parents also are concerned with speeding traffic, making traveling on and across Pleasant Ridge Road, Highway 18, and Highway 76 difficult. Finally, focus group participants had the opportunity to tell us what changes they wanted in Marquette. All groups want to improve pedestrian and cyclist connectivity throughout town. Examples given include adding a trail loop, sidewalks to and within the bench, a trail to the Wetland Center, and a walking bridge across the railroad to the riverfront. Many groups also want trail connections to regional areas like Pikes Peak, Effigy Mounds, and Bloody Run County Park. Residents expressed the need for improved vehicular access to various destinations, such as 2nd Street from the bench to downtown, and a vehicular bridge over the railroad. Lastly, older adults, mobility-challenged, and parents want to add safety features for pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers, such as turn lanes on Highway 18 at the Wetland Center and Pleasant Ridge Road, a crossing signal on Highway 76, and bike lanes throughout town. If you have any questions about this presentation or the community visioning process, contact the members of your local visioning committee or check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. A complete set of assessment presentation boards can be found on the Marquette webpage at www.communityvisioning.org/Marquette.